Welcome back, my friends. I'm Nico, the head chef of BlueVillas, the luxury concept. We are staying safe at home, but not for long. We will take you on a culinary journey. Come with me in my kitchen to prepare the queen of Greek appetizers, shrimps Saganaki. First step for our amazing and lovely shrimp Saganaki. A little bit olive oil on the pan and we fry just for a few minutes the shrimps. More olive oil and half an onion. The shrimps are 600 grams. Ouzo. And we put with a lighter flame. 2 fresh tomatoes. We rub it on the grater. And 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Pepper. And salt. When our sauce are sticky and creamy, we put the shrimps, (100 grams feta) and the half of mozzarella egg. Some fresh basil. Our shrimps are ready, and a good idea is to serve the shrimps with a pan. It's very clever. Don't put in a serving plate because you will mix the shrimps and it will not look very nice. Take some pita bread. Oh my god, we dip it very well in the sauce, and the sauce is so creamy with the feta and the mozzarella. A whole sea in a pan. As I say, an amazing food experience can become a loving memory. And in the end, it is all about the beautiful memories in life.